A lot happens at the building perimeters on our project sites. Ceilings usually tie into perimeter soffits, plenum supplied air distribution, and ultimately framed pockets that house window shades. Modular solutions at the perimeter are key to streamlining your installation, thereby saving you time, material, and labor. AXIOM Building Perimeters is a versatile solution to simplify just about any perimeter installation. When you install a 10-foot length of this 2- or 3-sided pocket, you're putting up 10 finished feet that doesn't require intricate stud framing, drywalling, mud, sand, or paint. 2.5-inch studs or hanger wires attach up to 48 inches on center to suspend this pocket. If you're in Seismic DEF, order the Seismic acoustical flange and attach lateral force bracing to your vertical studs. Smooth pocket tops are also available if you just need to fasten to traditional framing and blocking. Got corners? Inside and outside, factory-mitered corners eliminate the need for cutting miters yourself. Add more depth to your pocket when accommodating ceiling elevation changes. 10 to 12-inch depths are possible by combining our 4, 6, and 8-inch extensions that simply hook to integrated bosses in the pocket. Diffuser faceplates cleanly integrate perimeter air distribution alongside your shade pocket. Faceplates are available in 4 or 7-inch widths with slots located where you specify them. Custom slot designs are available too. Included splice plates eliminate pop rivets by joining pocket sections cleanly and securely. Additionally, a variety of T-bar connector clips integrate just about any style of ceiling that we sell. If a drywall or acoustibuilt ceiling is tying into your pocket, just order the pocket with the integrated drywall mud flange. Most AXIOM items are available to ship in just 10 days. Now, we've partnered with Lutron to offer a pocket with integrated bosses inside, which eliminates separate, tedious sub-bracket installation prior to the shades being installed. AXIOM core and shell shade pockets are a new item. A building owner can now decide to include a half pocket that's 2-sided in the core and shell bid package. With this system, the final tenant has the full flexibility to customize their finished 3rd side pocket drops to fit their ultimate ceiling design needs. Now, your whole project can have one system that's customizable for every tenant space. If you require double shade pockets or custom sizes, Armstrong can do that too. To learn more, visit our website at armstrongceilings.com/AXIOM.